Hello friends of YouTube, welcome to a new video from the channel SABIOSDELFRIO. If you are not yet subscribed, I invite you to join now so you don't miss any new videos. We are growing every day thanks to you. On this occasion, I'm going to teach you how to disassemble step by step and showing every detail the external unit of an OLIMPO inverter air conditioner. Although this video can be used for most inverter equipment, with the objective that you yourself can remove the electronic card to take it to the electronic repair shop of inverter air conditioners. As you can see, the procedure is simple. First we must remove the top cover, then the front cover and the rear protector, then we remove the side cover, and then we will disconnect everything that comes out of the card to other parts of the air, such as the external ambient sensor, the condenser output sensor, the compressor discharge sensor, and in this case the thermal protector of the compressor is better to remove it from the card, as well as remove the power cable to the fan motor and the cables that feed the compressor. Without further ado, enjoy this video until the end, and if you liked it, do not forget to give it a like and share it with your friends.